afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dave with Spruce Industries here for another special Beyond the Product segment on beyond.spruceindustries.com. And I was reading a great article today written by Dan Ringo on Cleaning and Maintenance Management's website, cmmonline.com. And it's titled The 5 C's of a Great Facility Manager. And I thought this would make a great video. Composure. You have to be able to channel that inner Matthew McConaughey and be cool, calm, and collective because you're being pulled in 1,000 different directions and you're under constant pressure to make sure that your facility is clean and safe. Competence. And I'll take a quote directly from the article here. A great facility manager is constantly thinking of processes and procedures that improve operations. Go above and beyond. You're a facility manager. You can't be any schlub off the street and do this job competently. Compassion. Listen to your staff. Come up with solutions to their problems. Give positive reinforcements. You'd be surprised how far a "hey, good job, man" goes with them. Cultural awareness. You have to be a person of the people. Understand that there are personalities big and small on your staff, and you have to be able to create a work environment that keeps morale high. Also, culturally speaking, we live in a melting pot. Not everybody speaks English as their first language. Create work plans in the language that they're most comfortable with so that everybody's on the same page. And last, but certainly not least, communication. A great facility manager is a great communicator. You have to be able to discuss with your upper management what your budgetary needs are to maintain a clean environment while also relaying that message to your staff to make sure that the job is done right. And that's our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Facility managers, get out there and go be great. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to anybody at Spruce. We are happy to help. And one more thing, let's make clean the priority because clean is the priority. Thank you.